Ladies and gentlemen, the medal ceremony of the men's kayak team will begin. Ladies and gentlemen, we will present the medal ceremony and the medalists of the men's kayak team. So, the medals will be presented by Jens Pelwitz, the president of the German Canoe Federation, and he is accompanied by the team leader of Slovenia. So, the bronze medals go to Maxence Barou, Luca Barone, Elias Blais, France. And the silver medalists are Yannick Lemon, Bio Berschwenger, Marcel Blum, Germany. And the gold medalists are Nejc Žnidarčič, Simon Owen and Anže Urankar, Slovenia.
Kannst du ein bisschen zurück runtergehen?
Entschuldigung.
Hallo? Kannst du tiefer gehen? Danke.
Nein.
Kleiner, hinlegen.
So, ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem of Slovenia.